Hello everyone, welcome to Windows for All. Today it's time for excitement because Microsoft has released a new build for release preview channel. The version is Windows 11 build 22621.317 and the cumulative update is KB5015885. So this is an update for Windows 11 22 H2 and it has several improvements. They prevent troubleshooters from opening. They increase the latency of games when vertical sync is in use. Also affect projection manager. Start projecting async API and prevent certain locales from connecting to Miracle 6. So yes. It also calls take a test app to remove all policies related to lockdown enforcement. When you close the app, hide distort photos you take using the camera app. Also throws an exception when you debug drivers using Visual Studio 2022 version 17.2 or later. So Windows Profile Service to fails periodically and the failure might occur when sign-ins. So they also fix this issue that prevents virtualized Office applications from opening or causes them to stop responding. So this is pretty much all. You can download it and the download link is in the description box. You will get it from there. And please download and enjoy. More such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you.